Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are double membrane organelles present in almost all eukaryotic cells. They are known as the powerhouse of cell because they generate energy in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, first discovered by Richard Altman in 1890 and named bioblasts. Term mitochondria was given by Carl Benda in 1898. Structure of mitochondria. First, outer membrane, smooth and permeable to small molecules, contains protein called porins transport channels. Second, inner membrane, folded into finger-like projections called crystals, contain enzymes for electron transport chain, that is ETC and ATP synthesis. Third, intermembrane space. Space between the outer and inner membrane plays a role in proton gradient formation during the respiration. Fourth, matrix. Inner fluid-filled space contains DNA, ribosomes, enzymes, and RNA. The site of Krebs cycle, that is citric acid cycle. Unique features: double membrane structure, has its own DNA and ribosomes, can make some of its own proteins, shows semi-autonomous nature, can divide and grow independently but not fully, inherited maternally from mother. Functions of mitochondria. First, energy production, that is a main function, produces ATP through cellular respiration stages, glycolysis in cytoplasm, Krebs cycle in matrix, electron transport chain on inner membrane cristae. Regulations of cell metabolism controls metabolic reactions and energy balance. Apoptosis, programmed cell death, releases protein like cytochrome C to trigger apoptosis. Calcium storage maintains calcium ion balance in cells. Heat production in brown fat cell. Mitochondria generate heat instead of ATP, that is thermogenesis. Mitochondria and ATP formation. Food molecules broke down and release electrons. Electrons pass through the electron transport chain, that is ETC. This pumps protons and create a proton gradient. Enzymes ATP synthase uses this gradient to make ATP. Disease related to mitochondria. Mitochondrial myopathy, muscle weakness, Lyme syndrome, neurological disorder, diabetes, aging, cancer also linked to mitochondrial dysfunctions. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy lessons.